Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to perform a factory data reset on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, before selling, donating, or giving away your device, performing a factory data reset ensures that all your personal data, accounts, and settings are removed from the device. This helps protect your privacy and prevents unauthorized access to your information. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down and select General Management option. So here, find out Reset menu and tap on it. Okay, and then scroll a little bit and select Factory Data Reset option. Okay, and then you will see the following attention. It informs that all data will be erased from this device, including the options below. So the way to continue, you can click Reset below and enter your log type. Click Delete All here, and then the factory data reset will take place and wait until process is finished. Well, that's the tutorial on how to perform a factory data reset on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.